Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a flashlight. First going to start out by drawing an oval. I'm going to draw another oval inside this one. And then I'm just going to draw like a half an arc to show the inside of the lens. I'm going to now draw the head of the flashlight. Turn it around over here. It's going to continue this line. And just curve it over here. I'm going to bring this line up over here now and then join it up over here. Next thing I'm going to do is another arc over here to show like this is kind of like a ring. Make the flashlight stand out. Now I'm going to draw some indents over here. So that'll be the things that you hold on to when you're trying to change out the batteries. Next thing I'm going to do is this little rubberized grip that's at the bottom of the head to fasten the flashlight to the actual handle. Let's try that again. Let's try drawing it upside down. Now I'm going to draw the elongated body, which you would hold in your hand. Just gonna erase these little nubbits. No, I call them nubbits because they look like little nubbits. And now I'm gonna draw this some sort of a rubberized grip that they have, at least the ones that are meant to use when you're going fishing. And then finally I'm going to draw the on and off switch. First going to draw this little plastic kind of a housing that it sits in. And now I'm going to draw the circular on and off switch. And here we have it, people, our simple flashlight. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and drawing, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.